Hey, Heath.
Hey, Kevin.
So this is like becoming a thing with you and I. It seems like we're putting in one of these charging stations every job now.
Yeah, it happens almost to every house.
All right, will you just secure it to the block wall here?
So just double checking to make sure this is tight. You want to pass me the charger?
Yes, so that's the mount right
So
there.
that's the actual charging unit.
So no garage at the house,
Right.
which is fine, small little city block, but this thing's just right out here in the weather.
So they are rated for outdoor use like this.
Yeah.
And we did speak with the local electrical inspector to make sure that we met all local and national codes. This is approved for the use here. As far as he's concerned, he's happy with it. It's a nice solid bracket. It's not going anywhere.
Okay, so there are different levels, right? You guys rank them?
Yeah, we have 3 basic levels. Level 1 is what may come with the car. If not, you want to grab one, plugs into a 120 volt receptacle, 3 to 5 miles an hour worth of charge. It'll get you out of a jam if you're stuck somewhere, but you don't want to use it every day.
Not going to refill your battery overnight necessarily.
Now, level 2, something like this guy, 25 to 30 plus miles per hour of charge. So if you're commuting, you want to charge overnight, does a pretty good job.
So 8 hours overnight, that's 150 to 200 mile range that you're putting back in the battery.
Exactly.
Probably going to do it.
Yeah.
Level 3, because we...
Not residential.
Oh,
So
right.
the stuff you're going to see, the superchargers, the really quick ones at the shopping centers, that kind of thing.
Okay, so outside, that's okay. We are on the far side of the driveway.
Right,
Why not
right.
just put it up against the house so that you can kind of run this right to the wall?
Because the homeowner's parking over here.
Ah.
This is where the car is going to go. This is where it's going to be easiest to charge without dragging a huge cord. So this made the most sense.
So, and we also dug up this driveway, so I presume you trenched or something? And you've got conduit?
We had conduit go in, come up under here, and go to the house. And that's where we're going to pull our wires through.
Am I pushing or pulling?
You're pulling.
Okay. You ready for me to start pulling?
All right, I'll take a little slack. We'll get it started. All right, nice and steady.
All right, she's through.
All right, so you want about 5 or 6 feet sticking out of there, Kevin.
How that?
Perfect.
I got just enough for a loop in here. Can seal this up.
All right, now that we have the wires through, we'll go ahead and put the fitting on the end of this flexible conduit. All right, and now that that's tight, just put this on, and then go ahead and slide that into the charger. And lastly, we'll just glue this in and slide it into place. And that's good. Now we'll just make our 3 connections here for the power.
I don't know, Heath, that's so intuitive. I think I could do it.
They're making it nice and easy nowadays.
All right, Heath.
All right.
Car in place. Load me up. Check that out.
Just like that.
That is awesome.
You're
All
ready
right.
for electric vehicles.
Appreciate you wiring us up and future-proofing that connection. Love it.
Great.
Hey, I pulled. You wash. And shine.
Really? Again?
Wax. Wax. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.